Time for a Mally Made makeup tutorial. With a BH soft round brow pen, I am filling in my eyebrows using hair-like brush strokes. Once I'm done filling them in, I am cleaning them up with a little bit of concealer. With P.LOUISE Base, I am prepping my eye for eyeshadow. This briefcase of Flawless Stay Concealer from Beauty Creations was gifted, and I'm going to be using it to cover my under eye circles. First time using it, a little definitely goes a long way. I then buff that out with a damp beauty sponge. Now I am using Sample Beauty's Cult palette. If you are looking for an affordable, colorful, and versatile palette on a budget, this is the one. I am using the shades Chantal, Kelly, and Kelsey in that order. Chantal all over the lid, Kelly in the outer V, and Kelsey on the inner 2/3 of the lid. The only tools I needed for that was a fluffy blending brush and my finger. The liner is Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. For my foundation, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in shade 365 and buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm going to use another concealer from Beauty Creations to contour. Remember that a little bit goes a long way. I realized here I used too much and I am internally panicking. I actually had to wipe some of the product off. I also think I went a little bit too dark for the contour, but you know what, it's okay. I fixed it. But Jiminy Cricket, I was scared there for a second. Here I am just using a small chubby buffer to blend out the contour around my nose. I do bring the contour up into my eyeshadow, that way it just looks a lot more cohesive. So I'm just finishing up my contour and accidentally used the same shade again that I initially said was too dark, but it's already on my face and we're going to work with it, so I'm just going to buff it out as much as possible with the damp beauty sponge. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my lashes with my favorite mascara from Huda Beauty, Legit Lashes. If you haven't tried this mascara before, you definitely should. When I am not wearing lashes, this mascara makes my pathetic lashes absolutely pop. Now underlining under my waterline with KVD Mad Max Brown. Still look a little crazy, but it is coming together. Using ABH Blush Trio in Peachy Love and a large powder brush, I am going to sweep the color all over my cheeks. Going to throw on some falsies. Now I'm going to carve out my nose, set my face, and chisel out my cheekbones with some translucent setting powder. This is also from KVD Beauty. Using Huda Beauty's Lip Contour in Warm Brown, I am going to slightly overline my lips for that plump and luscious Bratz doll look. I know my lips are full already, but I need more plumpness. I need it to give more. Also, this lip pencil is bomb AF. It glides on like butter, it doesn't feather, and the pigment is on point. I'm going to bring the color towards the center so I have a little bit of that ombre effect, and then I'm going to contour down the center of my lips so they look really juicy when I add my lip gloss. Using my favorite pigment, White Gold from LaRue Cosmetics, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I love this pigment, just look how beaming it is. Now let's bring this look fully together. I'm using a high shine lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Freya, and I am applying it with the lip brush because I don't like contaminating my lip glosses with other lip products, personally. I just don't like dirty lip gloss. If I'm putting on a clear lip gloss, it needs to be clear, just like if I'm putting on a nude lip gloss, it needs to be nude, not black or tinted with green or any other color. So you know what I mean? Yeah. Anyways, let me take this wrap off. It is time to step on some necks. Yep, just as I expected, from a potato to a crisp as fuck french fry. Perfect rich auntie soft glam for Thanksgiving dinner. Go ahead and flex on your family, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays and fuck the pilgrims. Toodles.